So real quickly, I just want to talk about the two devices I have in my RV that do require a recharge, battery type thing. It's not batteries, but it's a recharge type device. And basically they're lights. And when you're going camping, it's kind of nice to have some good bright lights that you can, aim in your campground zone or get a little all around area. And these are the two things I use. This one has dual purpose with a fan and many, many ways to attach it. And this one, there's a couple ways to attach it too. So when I turn the light on, you can see it's pretty bright. It has a dimmer switch to it. So I kind of like that. And you can see the percentage of dimming. You can change the color to a natural light, red, I don't remember that one, but it's got a lot of options. And it has, you unhook it here, and then you can actually attach it to different items like a limb on a tree or something. So it gives you, quite a bit of options because you can kind of unattach that and then reattach it to hang it from something. So it lasts a long time too. That's the main reason why I got this is you can make this thing run, every single night, and you probably have to recharge it maybe every 10 days. So it lasts a very, very long time. Same with this. As long as you're not using the fan, you're probably looking at 10, 11, 12 days of light you can get out of this. And it has 3 settings for light. 1, 2, 3. It's directional, so I kind of like that. And it has a little hook that comes out here to, again, you can hook this to a limb of a tree or one of your bars on your RV, and you can kind of have a directional light. It also stands, so it can stand up. It's not the greatest of standing up, but it can do it. And, like I said, 3 lights, settings, and a fan. This one I like for the fan because it does blow a lot of air. And that's on low, medium, high. A little louder on high. I kind of go with the medium setting. And you can see there it's medium. Blows pretty good air. The fan has a couple good purposes. One, you can put it in your RV or, your camper or your tent and get a little bit of extra air. You can spin this up, hook it to a tent, and blow air down on you. Get a little air movement. There's also, you can get one of those pop-up, I'll show it right here. The cool thing about this is it's 12 feet wide, and if you have a cold time and you can't make a fire, and we actually had this situation where it was cold, and we were not allowed to make a fire because there was a fire ban going on, and now we got our entire group out there, and it's freezing cold, and you can't have a fire. So it kind of, you're going to take away the joy. Well, this is what I did with that situation. I put this in the 12-foot tent thing I have, and then I put a it's a propane heater in the middle. That way, this blew the air down, so it blew the heat back down at us. And with the propane heat area, the tent had open sides. That way, we're not killing ourselves because these propane heaters are not designed to be inside. It gave us enough heat, and it wasn't, killing us with propane poisoning or anything. So no carbon monoxide poisoning because of the open sides. And this just literally just blew the heat back down, a little bit down back at us. So it was a savior for that. And we were still able to all hang out and not be freezing, cold because we couldn't have a fire. So fire bans kind of suck sometimes, but it is what it is. So that's it. Like I said, they're just lights. It's a light and a fan. It's not much to say about it. If I suggest ones, I would suggest these because they last a long time. They have a big battery pack. You can recharge your phone off of these because of the size of the battery packs. I don't know if you would or wouldn't. I never have. But again, big batteries. You don't have to recharge them a lot. So that's what I like. Anyway, that's it for this episode. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe because you all make it happen.